My talk is about creating literature in Tamil Nadu. We are planning to conduct a big awareness program for the Sagatya Academy winner, Ambai, in one of the colleges nearby India. I taught my speech with this basic grammar on literature. Somerset Maugham has defined literature in his 10th grade authors and their novels. He says the theme should conduct a burning problem. சமுதாயத்தில் எரிகின்ற பிரச்சனை, எல்லோரையும் பாதிக்கும் இந்த பிரச்சனை. That should be the theme of the novel. And it should have a beginning, middle and end. The story of Semmin starts like this. அன்றைய பொழுது எதுவுமே நடக்காது போல் விடிந்தது. ஆனால் 3 பிணங்கள் அந்த கடலோரத்தில் ஒதுங்கியிருந்தன. I will not believe such a kind of love story nowadays. It must be communication problem. Karatama should have communicated to Palani properly. She overheard her speaking with her sister. ಆ ಪರಿಕುಟಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಪಾಡುನು ಆ ಕಡಲ್ಪುರத்தில். He overheard the speech and becomes angry. He must not have abandoned the child and gone away with Parikutti and died. But of course it's a folklore like Ramayana, Gopalapurathu Grama Makkal. It's a folklore. We should not find fault with it now. They were older days. Now for the grammar of Somerset Maugham, I will cite an example. In The Moon and Sixpence, written by Somerset Maugham. The beginning goes like this. Mr. Strickland leaves his home at the age of 40. He goes for Paris to learn painting and become an artist. When he leaves the home, the evening they find out that he has left. Home is like a dead man's body. They feel like a dead man's body is lying in the room and everyone is coming for inquiring about this sorrow. That is the way the novel begins. In the middle of the novel, he stays in his friend's house and gets trained and becomes famous. One day, he draws a beautiful painting of his wife, without not properly dressed. That's what I can say. The friend sees the photo and takes a knife and likes to tear the picture. Because it's a piece of art, he leaves it as it is. It is not his wife, it is art. But Strickland leaves Paris and goes to Tahiti. He draws in the Tahiti village, seashore village, cave, beautiful pictures, terrible pictures. People in London Museum hear about it. They come and see in the tea stall of Tahiti, the picture sold for 6 pence. That's why the title makes The Moon and Sixpence. He ends his life shoving all modern life fashions, inhibitions with a cave girl, tribal girl in the village. Thus ends the novel. The novel is based on Van Gogh's life, it is said. It's a very good example for the definition given by Somerset Maugham. Somerset Maugham's War and Peace, Anna Karana writings and all we'll see later. So with this, I went to Tamil literature and started giving number 1 position for Amma Vandal, written by T. Jani Raman. Second to Jayaganthan, ஒரு மனிதன் ஒரு வீடு ஒரு உலகம், and his Agni Pravedam story. பிணக்கு ஒரு பிடி சோறு. He stands second with all these stories and novels. Third, I will give to Ambai. And Lasa Ramanathan shares the first position for his putra with D. Janiraman. Ambai's novel Siragal Muriyum, one short story is enough to give her Sahitya Akademi Virdu. I'll talk about her later. I read this. காட்டிலே ஒரு மான் கட்டுக்கதை அம்மா ஒரு கொலை செய்தால் சிவப்பு கழுத்துடைய ஒரு பச்சை பறவை நாவல் for which Sahitya Akademi Prize is given is not available. I tried in Amazon, tried in bookshops. Vijayappadipam owner has promised me to deliver in the house. I am waiting for it. I want lakhs and lakhs of copies sold in the function. Abli Morigami's book Ikigai was sold for lakhs and lakhs of rupees when the book was introduced in London. That book was sent by my friend's daughter from London, and I saw that book and read that book. So such kind of literary awareness is needed. So we need your participation, we need your encouragement. You must buy the book, don't give for இரவல் கொடுக்காதீங்க. இரவல் கொடுத்தா புஸ்தகம் வராது. நெருங்கிய நண்பராக இருந்தால் பரவாயில்லை, மற்றவங்களுக்கு இரவல் கொடுக்காதீங்க. So you should own a library like a temple in the house and create a big awareness for literature. Literature is the mirror of life. வாழ்க்கையின் கண்ணாடி. It shows how life is. It talks about cultural pluralism in ஒருபிடி சோறு and in one of the புலம்பெய்தல் novel by Ambai, how cultural pluralism should be accepted. There are many things which I will talk later. Today I will end with this. Thank you. jaiprakash.rk@gmail.com. My cell number is 9894177633. Gold-Race Business Consultant. Literature shows life. Management shows how to manage life. Thank you very good.